A smoke jumper spotter is an experienced smoke jumper that stays on the plane. They don't jump on the fire. So they're going to talk to dispatch, talk to air attacks, coordinate with their pilots, talk to ground resources, all of those things, and then get to the fire, select a jump spot with the first jumper in the door as well as the rest of the load. Pick a safe spot, and then kind of coordinate the whole mission. Take a low pass to make sure that the ground looks safe to land in. Use streamers to indicate wind to determine an exit point, to determine where the safe place is to put the jumpers out. Once those jumpers get on the ground, then they're talking to the spotter in the airplane over the radio. Any feedback for the next smoke jumpers. Once all the jumpers get on the ground, then we will then throw paracargo out of the back of the aircraft. That's all of the food, water, firefighting supplies that the smoke jumpers need to fight the fire. Once they get all the supplies they need, then we check out with them, talk to dispatch, see if there's any other missions. The National Smoke Jumper Spotter Academy is it's a new thing for us where we're taking all of the smoke jumper bases that have new spotter positions that they've recently filled, and they need to train them to be smoke jumper spotters. In the past, we would all do that individually. The effort now is to do that all at once to hopefully produce the safest, most efficient, most effective smoke jumper spotters that we can. Skill sets that make a good spotter, the ability to juggle a lot of tasks at once and be able to prioritize those tasks, be organized, be able to put those things aside for a minute, take care of what the highest priority is, and then get back to that thing. As a spotter, you've got up to 6 radios talking in your head at once. And so you need the ability to focus on which one's the most important, but then move on. So those are some of the attributes. I think humbleness is incredibly important as a smoke jumper spotter, because you're asking people to go jump a fire. You're not the one doing it, so you're trying to make sure their safety is the most important thing for you. And so you need to really have an open mind, be communicating with everyone on the plane, taking ideas, and coming up with the best possible solution to any decision making that you have to tackle. Having the support to do this is critical. You know, these are taxpayer dollars that we need to be spending the right way. And in my opinion, this is a very useful, expenditure to be getting people on the same page. It's not cheap to fly these airplanes around, and that's understandable. But the resource that you get from them and the investment into this puts forward a much higher level of safety and efficiency and effectiveness that I think is worth the investment.